everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a, oh my gosh, I was already packaging these up and I was like, oh my goodness, I did not make a video. So this is a Easter egg swap. It is a one-on-one swap that was hosted by Mikaboo32 on Instagram, and I will link her down in the description below. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys basically the basics of what I am sending my partner. So I did make this little bag. This is a cathyscreativekrafts little bag, and then I put so we were supposed to fill our, me and my partner were under the impression that we were supposed to fill little eggs with items, mini items. So the mini items were supposed to be 4 mini embellishments, 4 mini bows. We were supposed to put a chain or a charm, and 4 mini rosettes, and candy of our choice. I believe my candy is here. I think so. Yeah, I think so. And then here's an egg, and then I'm just gonna put that there. And this is what I ended up doing with this little baggie. Okay, this is, oh, I think we had to do a crafter's choice. So my crafter's choice was this. This is a mini album that I ended up making. Okay, and I'm just gonna show it to you there. I'm hoping my partner has a channel. If not, I do apologize. Okay, and then I also made this, and here are my mini rosettes. We were supposed to put 4, so I put a little bit more, so yay, so she can enjoy it. And then this is another little egg, and then here is, I had already put filler and everything in there, you guys. And then here is the little bag that I ended up creating. And as you guys can see, oh my goodness, how cute is that? So some of the items I did have on hand, okay? And here are the eggs right here. Here is another egg. Here's another egg. And I just did put a little bow on this one. This one was a little bunny that I had. I don't remember. Did I make it? I think it was already made. This one was already made. I just had it on hand. But I did create a lot of the items in here. I did get this tote from cathyscreativekrafts. It's a beach bag tote, and then to make it wider, I also have the cathyscreativekrafts, the oh my goodness, the whiting ends. And yeah, so anyways, here are the items that I am sending my partner. You really can't see what I'm sending, but you know, hopefully, like I said, she does have a channel, hopefully. And then yeah, anyways, that is it. Oh, and then just extras that I need to send her, candy. And anyways, and did I show you guys this cute little duck? I'm sending her this cute little duck. Anyways, so that is it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.